but Asante for more pressure do. Hey, party upon party, is it an son? Sanjum, to nane, nano say to twee. Hey, you wait, yeah. Asante for crowd with me, my pressure crowd do. Nano shemina me she the idea cost woman share. Nana piao. Nana say me onano. Me onana piao. Na me she. Nana otumfo that's the word, the right word. Otumfo no me she no to aguso. Na mo ya party upon party. But yeah, mo pressure man for some cry ni. Asante for boy man ye bebre do asamo higher binu I don't understand, I don't get it. The party work also, if you see the way the bodyguards are there doing the way the queen mothers, in fact this is so beautiful. It's not good. I don't know my pressure, sir. Asante for I am myself mine.
Nice GA.
When you say Uko Uganda, omo history omo ye no West African history no Ghana history and omo ye na Ghana history so nya bia say Asante no usua na enwanwa said ye Uganda for no ankasa chire mu say omo ka Asante na obi e boy like it's amazing. It's really amazing. Na ebekwa ko tie sa video na ebusi when you say the moving stone na a movie any bebia like obia nyi do ya say agrofo any die chire person who the moving stone e pia Asante. Yes, the moving stone appear Asante. Made no so was but before that, no, or Baba Qua, TikTok, ni baby, or Onya something, but or Asante, or Asante, creme, nipple, any BBM. Na Michelle Samuel, ma'am, oh, dear, Miss Samuel, you back a bit was.
Hey, bet, Mama, can't somewhere. Asante for crowd with me, my pressure crowd do. No shemina me she the idea cost woman share. Nana piao. Nana say me onana. Me onana piao. Na me she Nana otumfo that's the word, the right word. Otumfo no me she no to aguso. Na mo ya party upon party. But yeah, mo pressure man for some cry ni. Asante for boy man ye bebre do asamo higher binu I don't understand, I don't get it. The party work also, if you see the way the bodyguards are there doing the way the queen mothers, in fact this is so beautiful. It's not good. I don't know my pressure, sir. Asante for I am myself mine. Manya kwa kadi enka. Yes, oh mine back kwa Ghana ya Asante mine. And I know me comment section no na mukayo. Me dey na me bisa question no mukaye. Amba so me kwaye amba o. Omo ya ma different people o. Ana me can kwase asem. I just love it. I love it. Me pa mo choose say me your two for nana. Me kwa me to so say nana for no ya dosu o. Piao. One day I may do my share there. I think so I have to go to my share one day. Na me kwa your share wine. Uni mo bia so no wine me dem me kan so akesi o. Me kan dey say me. But everything is possible and I must say possible me janto. I just bet Asante for more pressure do. Hey, party upon party, is it an son? Sanjum, to nane, nano say to twee. You wait, yeah. Me ko bomb you for amanana. Me go say, and then you bed you because I'm boy. That's and you be able to we be 2 Sanjum no. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I didn't even do. And I must make can say no, this is reality. It's very beautiful. I like it. Huh? I hope so. Say it's so beautiful. I am hoping say other people will copy some things from there because it's so beautiful, so unique, so nice. In fact, efe. Yes, Asante for no. Say Some money be say the Asante ni. Aye, Asante de shikron enemy abrakuma. Aye.
Ababa na akuti ni bro hwe se de ababa wale si oh is too much put it ababa wale asante bibia ni fe ti de bi asante mo pressure any pressure ni mo yes asante Ghana ni pa do na anti asante no credit untimi nya de enfant we dia na ma me hwe me to aso a Uganda say Uganda ni pa o free Uganda bonde die there honum ye wo na obi ko bisanza de tina ase oni Ghana na o kan wasem sa na o say Ghana de ade a wasua afiri Ghana bebree wokɔ school kɔ university a enyoma yɛma musua anaasɛ enyoma bebree musua no Ghana anaasɛ Asante history nti yɛwɔ nim Asante history paa from Uganda ti asɛm yi o ti obi a ɔnni Ghana mpo esua Asante abakɔsɛm na wo a wote Ghana na obi te hɔ na hwɛ me se Asante baabi a yɛsua Asante ho adeɛ ɛnyɛ ho nkɔn wokɔ British a wokɔ UK mpo Ghana yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ bi wɔ hɔ ma wɔkɔduru UK na asɔke wɔn ɛsiane sɛ mpo British aborɔfo mpo say Ghana and as a British aborɔfo say they never and as a British never saw royalty until they meet the Ashantis. But as well, they Uganda, they may have the British to us no had against him.
The whole history of West Africa is almost about Ghana. Yes, guys, let me explain to you. So, in East Africa, I'm in Uganda. This must be a Ugandan commenting. Yes, in Uganda we do East African history. That's when we learn about the fights, the rebellions against colonial rule, slave trade. Yeah, so we do East African history, also East African geography. We do African geography. Then we also do West African history and South African history. East African history is compulsory, but when you reach like the level when you're almost sitting with your exams, you decide whether you want to do West African history or South African history. So me, I chose to do West African history. South African history has those things of the Khoikhoi, the Khoisan, the Zulu, the apartheid and everything. Yeah, so West African history. But someone commented that whole of West African history is almost about Ghana. Honestly, if I can tell you anything I remember in West African history, it's everything and anything Ghana. The Asante Empire, Asantehene, the Nkurumas, those people who fought for independence, those are the things we know about Ghana. So I've seen other people from West Africa come through. Okay, what do you know about this country? Honestly, most of West African history was mainly about Ghana. We studied a lot of personalities in Ghana. I don't know why I only remember Kwame Nkrumah. There are other personalities we studied that I can't really remember. And Obili Eboa, Asante Empire, like all those things we did. I don't remember learning anything about North African history, no. I don't know if Ethiopia is in the north, that Ethiopia was not colonized because of the strong leaders like Emperor Haile Selassie and all those things. But talk about it. Most of the West African history we did, it was mainly Ghana. So other people, you'll help me. I don't know a lot about you. Maybe when it comes to Nigeria, we used to study it is one of the most populated country. Also the most, if not, I think it is the most diverse in Africa. Yup. So,
Yes, a couple with them cocoon, one cast out in Obano or say Ghana. You bet you history be an Asante and no one will mission Tiasim you. In 2 things say yes. Asante will be can Asante will be and you have qua if you are seeing this Asante. Yes. Do to Ghana and I say, added dinner. Now say, I mean, I will say, you tree, in free in kind. Now we saw say, you tree free in kind. I can sound rich and I say, in kind. So more fun shall you be man. You saw say, now school Nankasano, a bay or damn, what's an and I'm kind of Cassan, you do anything. Mon penocre, that. Mon penocre, you. It's a mission. I mean, it was a British. When obviously British never saw royalties until they meet the Ashantis. It's said, Ubisia, so they are passing out. This was a Asante way of a army. A brass Asante said, no formation, our army. Yinti on a craving, Yinti. ntade a ɛna nanom adress a ɛno ne asante asogyafoɔ ntade a na wɔde di obiara so nkunim no ntade a wɔn hyehyɛ di obiara so nkunim a ɛnɛ yi yɛsɛ sɛ wobɛyɛ sogya ɛwɔ UK wobɛyɛ sogya ɛwɔ America wobɛyɛ sogya wɔ baabi a gye sɛ wosua asante sogya kwan a wɔfa so ko yɛ ansa na yɛapaase wɔ out so wɔsɛ mebo a tie.
I have one thing to say. $1,000 die, 1,000 will come.
So what can you say about Shani, man? Like a Shani?
I like a Shawnee. I like a Shawnee.
So what can you say about Shani?
They're strong warriors, strong warriors.
What can you say about Shani, Al? What can you say about Shani?
I want to meet the Shawnee King. He's a strong warrior.
He's a strong warrior, just like you, just like American soldier, right?
The British never saw royalty till they saw the Ashantis.
Or say British never saw royalty until they met Ashanti. One thing I said to you.
The British never saw royalty till they saw the Ashantis.
What can you say about Shani and the British, you know?
The Ashanti beat the British, man.
Yeah, so Shani are brave warriors, just like
great
Americans.
warriors. Yeah, just like Americans.
So you're proud to be a Shani?
Proud to be a Shawnee.
Bruni na kwesi Bruni kwesi koko say we are proud to be Ashanti. And we bisa say, are you proud to be Ashanti? Are you proud? Mo Asante say mo here.
When do you want to go to Ghana?
I don't know. When I get done with my IIT.
You go in Ghana? So when do you want to go to Ghana?
Soon.
Soon?
I had to put that beret on.
And what you happen we so say me come back say akwa no we cancel my. So you see the British never saw royalty until they met the Ashantis. No cre eba akupe abrofo ni kwa to now. I mean to us everything what is the moving stone? The moving stone what's in that? The moving stone. Now she said the moving stone it's here. Oh gosh. She said the moving stone. Me akasa me hwe ekobo anan bisas me go give na me say me research. And almost say me bisas say what stone can we not say? It is known as a sailing stone. The rocks vary in size. It's a from a few ounces to 100 pounds. Though no one has ever seen them actually. Actually, though no one has ever seen them actually move in person. The trail left behind the stones and periodic changes in their location make it clearly that they move. Until here I was saying, Ubian said them for the new but what they told her now Java on running na hobi into no chase a movie. But Asante nam saying I'm share Asante no. Ohia what they born to na a movie. Mekwa could be born one but before that we share video e money buy at pass e dey no. Said the Bunyamia share something with anything. And into anyone was say a year a software essay now you should learn from Asante. We should collaborate with them and be blessed. Sir Alexi. Into what I mean no details about the details that brown no who said you crazy and pay Asante me. And now the hobby be a pro. Man for person who now want to want to say me won't come and my book but I was Asante me and same gratitude your box site near the APP. Maybe more details, yes. If you are busy, don't worry, with details every go. Now, I mean, calendar, I 2025, I consider dates in fandom. 19 January 2025, I consider Edikan. 19 January, I consider Edikan. If you are second March, I consider 13th, consider April. 13th April, I consider 25th May, I consider 9. 20 and 6 July, I consider it was 17th August, I consider it was 18th 28 September akweside a etoso enso na 9th November akweside a etoso de nwotwe de etoso nkunu no 21st December na etwa to kra ewo afini na em yes na chese de etie no na chese mfiwa ma na de Asante calendar ne so de ato nti bia ni a na wo sua se de be ya bia ebe one ediama and then they can so subscribe and share with more details updates about Asante everything.